Yeah, yeah. Mwaramutse, my friend, good morning light. One small word can make a hard day bright. Dagushimia when the hours run long. A simple thank you makes the weary strong. No need for fancy, no need for gold. Just honest words the heart can hold. Simple words, like sunlight through the rain. Mwaramutse, dagushimie. They lift and ease the pain. Simple words, before the night says bye. Knew it here when as I see you again, and keep the love alive. Keep the love alive. Goodbye can be gentle, not a bitter end. Dagu says it, take care, my friend. A soft hello, a kind reply, can turn four walls into a place that feels like home tonight. One little phrase can open a door. One true voice can mean much more. From my lips to your tomorrow, simple words can mend the sorrow. Simple words, like sunlight through the rain. Mwaramutse, dagushimie. They lift and ease the pain. Simple words, before the night says bye. Knew it here when as I see you again, and keep the love alive. Mwaramutse, dagushimie. Goodbye, but not too far.